your heart
Do,
racing.
do, 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 do.
And inside a private.
My boy is eating. Look how big he is. My boy is getting so big. Listen to the noise he makes. Woohoo! So this is our morning feeding. I had to look at the clock, but this is our morning feeding. Well, the one I actually got time to record. He definitely eats way before now, but yeah. The SWEENEY'S morning feeding with Josiah. Right, Zai? Whoa. Oh, my guy's trying to pull off. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, probably because my shirt is on his nose.
Hold on, Jemai. That's just where you laid on your hump smash. So now it's all dirty. That's why I'm helping you. Oh, Jemai, hump smash on your head. Hold on, Jemai. Where's my bone?
My boy getting busy. Getting busy.
On your eye.
Go. Got chocolate on it.
Yeah, Jemai did that. Jemai, come on. Put your
Do do do.
feet in.
So right now, this is what we do. We just sit here and let him eat.
Jemai, put on the other foot.
Let him go a stack.
No, look. No, Jemai did on the wrong foot. Take your feet out. Put your foot in. Put this foot in. This foot. The right foot. Put this foot in.
Bruh. I'm watching the Steve Wilkos show. Ooh. Relax, big boy. Relax, big boy. Come on, big stanky. Alright, guys. Now it's time to get a burp about this fat boy. Come on, Stinks. Burp. So I have something over his back because he has no clothes on. He's in a pamper. Pamper. Yeah, right? Take your time. Relax. Yeah, I'm watching the Steve show this morning. This girl, she stole a wig from her little sister and sold it. That's foul. Her little sister worked real hard to pay for this real expensive wig. Hey guys, relax. And she was going to wear it for her senior prom. Her older sister stole it 2 days before her senior prom. Stole it and sold it. That's wrong. That's violating, bro. I didn't violate it before, but you knew she was going to wear that for her senior pictures. That's wrong. Good job. We got a bird. Woohoo. Good job, stink butt. Good job, you stink butt. This is us in the morning. He might want to go back. We're going to see. But for now, he looks pretty okay. Right? Yeah, I hate when they get like little dirt in their ears. I be cleaning stuff out his ears like every 3 days. I hate 30 years. Especially on a baby.
Take your other foot out of there.
Zai. You finished eating? Are you finished eating? I always have to pull his rolls apart. And if you pull these joints apart, I be seeing little dirt balls because he be sweating. I gotta clean his neck like every day and his thighs. This is horrible. You are like, he's new to 2 months. Like, bro, you're a fat boy. See, I'm a healthy baby, mommy. Hey, I'm trying to sit up. I'm trying to hold him back. Look at him. Lean back. What, man? What is it? Wow, look at these guys. Pretty awesome. Hey, guys. We got the Hulk, Iron Man, and Rapunzel. And Fat Man, of course. Hold on, wait. I'm trying to get it to be like a picture. Hold on. Wait, no, stay still. JJ, get back in. All right, that's perfect. Oh, wait, let me get out. I'm ugly. I could just crop it. But yeah, now he's getting fussy. So go ahead, guys. Go out there. Do you want to be picked up? Let's see. Sometimes this works. So we're going to see. Do you want to be picked up? Oh, he just burped again. So see, this gets the burps out too really, really, really well. I love this one, like the over, but not so much with the belly because you don't want to have like your shoulder on his stomach. So, hold on, baby. I see you. Go ahead, go out there because they're going to all follow you in here. So, look, I guess he's done because now he's kind of like sitting down. Hey, big boy. Hi, big boss. This is my big boss. Right, man? Say what's up. But yeah, so that's the position I like to use because he's really big now. Like, that was fast. So, lean him over, pat the back. But now he starts to take his feet. If you can see, they can touch. They're just down. Touch the bed. And he kicks back. So I can't not hold his back. So it's hard doing it this way. So I have to do it this way. And throw him over my shoulder where I know he can't do anything. Only way he can fall is if I move my hand, and that's not happening. So this is how I do another burping position. And the burp comes out in like 2 minutes. And then, hold on, big man. And then, the same one, I'm still using this one. Even though he's super big, you grab a thigh. Grab one of these, turn him to the side, and pat the fat baby. He doesn't have any burps, so he's not going to burp. He just did his real big burp and his second one. And that's usually all he gives me until he gets more food. So, right now, he's just laying here on his side, and I'm patting him. His little leg is kicking. I guess he feels relaxed. You relaxed? But that is our morning feeding. Thank you guys for watching. Like, guys. Comment, guys. Subscribe. If you're feeling friendly, share my video. But, yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for getting me to 1.5K subscribers. It all happened so fast. I'm very grateful for my supporters. And I thank you guys. I appreciate all the support very much. So, say thank you, guys. Say thank you. Thank you. Walk. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. The Sweeneys will be back with more videos. We are out. Telling me.